In this video, we will learn all about the fault, P0497. What does it mean? Symptoms, causes, and how to solve it. We also respond frequent questions related to this error. First, what does the P0497 error code mean? The error code P0497 indicates a low purge pressure in the evaporation emission system, EVAP. The EVAP system is designed to capture the fuel vapors generated in the tank and prevent them from being released to the atmosphere. These vapors are redirected to the engine to be burned during the combustion process. When the Engine Control Module, ECM, detects that the amount of purge is lower than expected, activates the P0497 code. This error is usually related to problems in the purge control system or failures in the components of the EVAP system. What are the symptoms of the P0497 fault? Odor of perceptible fuel near the vehicle. Increase in fuel consumption. Motor performance problems, such as pulls or unstable idling. Difficulty starting the engine. Failure in the emission test. Wait. Important. If this information is useful to you, please subscribe. That way you motivate us to continue uploading more videos. What causes can generate the DDC P0497 code? Evap system escape. Purge valve of the defective or stuck EVAP system. Defective electrical connections or wiring in the EVAP system. Ferry fuel tank pressure sensor. Blocking or restriction in the vacuum lines of the EVAP system. What are the possible solutions for the OBD2P0497 code? Inspect and repair any leak in the EVAP system. Replace the EVAP system purge valve if defective. Check and repair the wiring or electrical connections of the system. Replace the fuel tank pressure sensor if necessary. Clean or replace the vacuum lines of the EVAP system if they are clogged. We will answer some frequent questions. Can you drive a vehicle with P0497 code? Yes, it is possible to drive a vehicle with the P0497 error code, but it is not advisable to leave this problem without a long time. Although this code does not directly affect motor performance immediately, the EVAP system is linked to emission control, which means that the vehicle may not pass an emission test. In addition, the presence of a fuel vapor leak or a problem with the purge valve could cause an increase in fuel consumption, which will increase operating costs. In the long term, ignoring this failure can lead to more serious damage to the emission system. What sensor or sensors are related to the P0497 failure? The main component related to the P0497 code is the purge valve of the EVAP system, which controls the release of the fuel vapors towards the engine. The fuel tank pressure sensor is also involved, in charge of monitoring the pressure in the system and sending data to the ECM. Any failure in these sensors or associated electrical connections can activate the error code P0497. How much would it cost to repair the P0497 fault? The repair cost of the P0497 code may vary according to the specific cause of the problem. If it is a defective purge valve, the replacement cost can range between US $100 and US $250, depending on the brand and model of the vehicle and labor costs. If the problem is related to leaks in the EVAP system or blocked vacuum lines, the cost may be lower, but diagnostic tests will be required to locate the failure. In case it is necessary to replace the fuel tank pressure sensor, the cost could be similar, around US $150 to US $300. Without further ado, I hope this video has been useful to you and you can solve your problem. See you in a next video. Bye-bye.